minus y and x square minus y square. The same question is there in question number A. You are given, instead of a plus b, you are given a minus b. Then ab is given. Find the value of a plus b and a square minus b square. So both the problems are same. Now you suggest which one I should do. No, not both. Both is not possible. Both is not possible, because if I will go on solving both type of problem, both same type of problem, we have to complete. No, let me do 8th one. 7th is homework. Save. Now let me do 8th one. We are given a minus b is 0.9. Mute the microphone. And ab is given 0.36. It is asked what is the value of a plus b. So in which formula there is a minus b and a plus b? Third formula and fourth formula, no. And there is ab. AB is there in that formula. So we use the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to, yes, 4ab. Is it clear, all of you? We are using the formula, direct formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab, fourth formula. That fourth formula I am using. Formula in terms of a and b, fourth formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. This formula I am using because in this formula we know the value of a. Yes. Yes. A square plus b square minus 2ab. No, you can use that formula, but then you should have to get a square plus b square. Then a square plus b square you have to get again. Fine, consider a plus b whole squares. You have to simplify and then you will get the answer. You can use this formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Whenever there is minus sign, if there is minus between them, then it is 4ab. If there is plus between them, it is 2 into a square plus b square. That remember, that you remember in that way. If there is minus sign, it is 4ab. If there is plus sign between them, it is 2 into a square plus b square. So now we know the value of ab, we know the value of a minus b with substitute. So a plus b we keep as it is, a plus b whole square minus a minus b. A minus b is given 0.9. So 0.9 square is equal to 4 into AB. AB is 0.36. So 4 into 0.36. So a plus b whole square minus 0.9 square. 0.9 into 0.9. 0.81. 0.9 into 0.9. 0.81 is equal to 4 into 0.36. 4 6 is 24. 4 3 is 12. Plus 2 14. 4. Then 1 is left, 4001. So it is 1.44. 4 into 0.36. 4 into, this dot is into. So a plus b whole square is 1.44 plus 0.81. This 0.81 we take it on other side. Yeah. So a plus b whole square 2.25. Yes. 2.25. Yes. So now we take square root. It is square. So taking square root, you will get a plus b is equal plus minus root of 2.25. Plus minus root of 2.25. plus minus square root of 2.25. Now let us simplify. A plus b is plus minus is equal to plus minus root of 2.25. 2.25 I can write 225 upon 100. All of you agree? 225 I can write 2.25. After decimal there are 2 digits. So this I can write 225 upon 100. So a plus b is plus minus 225 I can write 15 into 15 and 100 I can write 10 into 10. So a plus b is plus so plus minus this 15 I can take outside square root, that will be 15, then 10 I can take outside square root 10, 15 upon 10, that is 1.5. So a plus b is plus minus 1.5, and see here you can directly write this value. After this you can directly write 1 point plus minus 1.5. I have shown you the detailed calculation. This step you can avoid if you know. From this step you can directly write this. Then what is asked? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square is a plus b. A plus b is given just now we have found, that is plus minus 1.5 plus minus 1.5 into a minus b. A minus b is 0.9. Now you multiply these two. A square minus b square is, answer will be plus minus 1.5 into 0, 1 yes, 1.5 into 0.9 you have to multiply. So plus minus 1.35, and this is the answer. A square minus b square. It will be plus minus, because when we take square root, both sign will come. Plus will also come, minus will also come. Because minus 3 square is also 9, plus 3 square is also 9. So when we take square root, both signs should come. Plus minus, both signs should come. So in a similar way you will solve 7th one. So this formula you should write directly, that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. When there is minus sign, it is, yes, please, nobody will present, because if somebody will send me the name that this student is presenting, he or she will find difficult to admit. Stop presenting, or I am going to remove this student. Let me remove this student who is presenting. Stop presenting. So a square minus b square is plus minus 1.35. So this formula you remember. When there is minus sign, it is AB, 4AB. When there is plus sign, it is 2a square plus b square. Now let us solve question number. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hold for 2 seconds. Connected है.
Hello. Those students who are presenting in between the period, their name you send me, I will not admit them next time, definitely. Now let us solve. This is over, this part. This, okay. Now let us solve ninth one. Now similarly you will solve, I have solved 8. In the same way you will solve 7. Now let us do ninth one. Ninth one is slightly different. Ninth one. If a minus b is 4, question number 9. All are important. They are important for board point of view. A minus b is 4 and a plus b is 6. A minus b is 4. A plus b is 6. Find first a square plus b square. Second, find ab. These are important questions, and several times I have told you, you should always make the habit of reading the question. Reading the question with patience. When you read the question with patience, carefulness, you come to know what is given and what is asked, so that you think about that and approach to the correct formula. In this we are given a minus b and we are given a plus b, and it is asked what is the value of a square plus b square. So in which formula there is a minus b, a plus b and a square plus b square? Which formula? Third formula, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, yes, plus no, this is important. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times, no, if you, no, that is not used, because a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square, and there is, it is plus. It is a square plus b square, not a square minus b square. If it is a square minus b square, we write a plus b into a minus b. So now this is the formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times a square plus b square. If there is plus sign, then it is 2 times. Now we substitute the value. What is a plus b? 6 square plus a minus b 4 square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. That we have to find. 6 square is 36. Don't present anything. Who is presenting?
Call.
So 6 square 36.
Sir, wait, you are offline.
Okay, now you can see the board and hear the voice. Okay. Now 6 square is 36. 4 square is 16. Is 2 times a square plus b square. Now 36 plus 16 is 52. 52 is 2 times a square plus b square. Now there it is 2 into. So this 2 I will take in the denominator. So 52 divided by 2. Stop chatting. Stop chatting. Mute the microphone. 52 divided by 2 is 26. So 26 is a square plus b square. So the answer of a square plus b square is 26. The answer of a square plus b square is 26. The answer of a square plus b square is 26. So now let me, this is first part. Now second part, to find AB. We know the value of A minus, yes? Yes, you, yes, you can use that A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square, because now you know the value of A square plus B square. That is the one of the method. Now let me do the same, let me write the same formula. Direct formula I will write. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. You know, this is the formula. See, these two formula, this formula and this formula, see the difference. If there is plus, then it is 2 times a square plus b square. If there is minus, it is 4ab, because we want to find the value of ab. So a plus b value is given 6 square minus 4 square is equal to 4ab, 4 into ab, 6 square 36 minus 16 is equal to 4ab. Yes, so 20 is equal to 4ab. So 20 upon 4 is equal to ab. So you will get 5 is equal to ab. Yes, so ab is 5. So this formula and this for no, it is plus 5 only, no, because there is no square root. We are not taking square root. When we take square root, then it comes plus minus 5, and there is no square root. We are not taking square root. Directly simplification is there. So this formula and this formula you have to remember. See the difference. If there is plus, these two terms there is plus, it is 2 times a square plus b square. If there is minus, then it is 4ab. If there is minus, it is ab. If there is plus, it is a square plus b square. If there is plus, it is a square plus b square. If there is minus, it is ab. In this way you should remember the formula. Now let us yes, 10th. 10th one. This side it is over, this side others. So in this expansion chapter, whichever 5 formulas we have written, each formula you should write at least 20 times. Each formula you should write 20 times and make it perfect. Now question number 10. Mark this, very much important, this one. This type of problems are always important. A plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. Problems are very much important. So question number 10. Mark this, very much important. We are given if a plus 1 upon a is 6, then find a minus 1 upon a. Yes, same. Yes, now I will use the formula for a. Yes, see, same. Yes, that only. You see, we write a plus 1 upon a whole square. A plus 1 upon a whole square. Are you getting this? A plus 1 upon a whole square, or this formula you can use. A plus 1 upon a, it is given. A minus 1 upon a, it is given. And a minus 1 upon a you have to find, no. Now in this I cannot use that direct formula, because neither we are given a square plus b square, nor we are given ab. So what I will do, I will simplify this. A from a plus 1 upon a whole square. What is the formula for this? A plus b whole square. Yes. A square plus a square plus 2. Are you getting this? A plus b whole square. So 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. Yes. So a plus 1 upon a value is given 6. So 6 square is a square plus a get cancelled 2 plus 1 upon a square. So 36 minus 2 is a square plus 1 upon a square. So 34 is a square plus 1 upon a square. Yes? Yes? You can use the formula. Now it is clear? Board? Okay, right. No, this is not the final answer. Now we want to find a minus 1 upon a. We have found a square plus 1 upon a square. Now I will consider a minus 1 upon a whole square. A minus 1 upon a whole square. What is the formula? A minus 1 upon a whole square. That is a square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. A minus b whole square. A minus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a whole square will be a square minus a get cancelled 2 plus 1 upon a square. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square, then minus 2. We take 1 upon a square plus. So what is a minus 1 upon a whole square? What is this value? A square plus 1 upon a square, 34. 34, this value is 34 minus 2. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is 32. Now it is square. A plus 1 upon a whole square. So I will take square root. So taking square root is no. Where? Sorry, a minus 1 upon a. A minus 1 upon a whole square is 32. So square of this is 32. So I will take square root. So a minus 1 upon a. Now I will write plus minus because it is square. So when we take square root from square, we take plus minus root 32. Plus minus root 32. Now I will simplify. What is plus minus root 32? What you can write root 32? Yes. What you can write 32? So a minus 1 upon a is plus minus 32. I can write 16 into 2. And this 16 I will take outside square root. This 16 I will take. So a minus 1 upon a is plus minus 4 root 2. Plus minus means plus 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 2. Plus minus means plus 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 2. So first answer we have got. Now it is asked what is the value of a square minus 1 upon a square. That is same as a square minus b square. A square minus 1 upon a square is same as a square minus b square. A square minus 1 upon a square is same as a square minus b square. So that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. A square minus b square is same as a plus b into a minus b. No, why? Why we take x? Write that only. A plus 1 upon a. What was that? A plus 1 upon a value? 6. This value is 6 given a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a is plus minus 4 root 2. So now we multiply a square minus 1 upon a square. We write plus minus. Second part I am doing. So 6 into, it is multiplication. So plus minus we take outside, then 6 into 4 is 24. 24 root 2. And this is the answer. A square minus 1 upon a square is plus minus. No. Inside root we don't multiply. We multiply the numbers. 6 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. Root 2. So answer is plus minus 24 root 2. Answer is plus minus 24 root 2. In the same way, question number 11. All of you are having textbook? Yes? All of you are having, then I can directly write homework without writing the. Okay, let me write. Question number 11. Same way you have to do question number 11. This is also important, same. If a minus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a is 8. Now let me, homework. Then find first a plus 1 upon a, second a square minus 1 upon a square. So now same way you will, yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. This much question. What you want? I should solve this or homework? Same way. So a minus 1 upon a whole square you will consider. A minus 1 upon a whole square. A square minus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. Simplify that. You simplify this, get the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Then you consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. And then take square root. You will get this value. Then a square minus 1 upon a square will be a plus b into a minus b. So a minus 1 upon a into a plus 1 upon a. So let me give this. So 11th is homework. Now 12th a square. If a square, and now it is clear, a square minus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. Wait. Now it is clear. A square minus 3a plus 1 is 0. Find first a plus 1 upon a. Second a square plus 1 upon a square. A square plus 1 upon a square. A square minus 3a plus 1 is 0. This type of question are important, very much important, this type. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all these questions are important for board quantum. Now 12. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now solution, let me write. A square minus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. This is given. Now you are given, yes, very good. You are given an equation. So whenever you are given equation, simplify. So divide each term by a. Divide each term by a. So you will get a square upon a minus 3a upon a. We are dividing each by a. So 0 upon a. 0 upon a will be 0. Now a square and a, 1a get cancelled. What is left? A is left. A get cancelled. What is left? 3 plus 1 upon a. No, plus 1 upon a is equal to 0 upon a is 0. So a plus 1 upon a, I will take 3 on this side. Yes, 0 plus 3. So a plus 1 upon a is 3. This is the first answer. Now it is asked, what is a square plus 1 upon a square? To get a square plus 1 upon a square, I will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. I will square this and use a plus b whole square formula. That is a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. Now a plus 1 upon a, this value is 3. A plus 1 upon a, we have found, no, 3. A plus 1 upon a value is 3. So we have got 3 square is a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. A get cancelled. So 9 is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Now take 2 on this side. 9 minus 2 is a square plus 1 upon a square. Yes. So 7 is a square plus 1 upon a square, and this is the answer. So we have, so whenever you are given equation, you have to divide each term by a. Yes, mute the microphone, please. 13. If a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0, find where 3. Okay. No problem. A square minus 5a minus 1 is 0. Find first a minus 1 upon a. So whenever you are given equation, divide each term by a. Second, a plus 1 upon a. And third is a square. Third is a square minus 1 upon a square. This is also important question. This type of problems are important for board point of view. Now 13. Same way you will do. Do it fast. Start solving. We are having no 2-3 minutes. Okay. No. This I am going to give homework. Same way you will do. Are you getting? Same way you will do. Divide each by a. Yes. So this is homework. This is homework. Try to solve this. Okay. Bye. Yes. So you must do the homework. Yes. Send the homework on the WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. But you must do. So today revise all those 5 formula 10 times. Okay. Thank you. Take your lunch. Now we wind up our period.